Hi guys, so let's make striped pancake. So first you get your egg, 2 eggs, and then you add 3 tablespoons of sugar, and then you add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, and after that you add 2 teaspoons of oil, that's your groundnut oil, and then you mix. So after mixing all this together, you get your milk, half cup of milk. You add your half cup of milk to it, then you get your flour, 1 cup of flour. Then you can add 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and then you just mix and you keep mixing. Make sure it's not thick, make sure it's not too watery. It can be watery but not too watery, but make sure it is not thick. So you just keep mixing. Please don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to subscribe if you've not. You can also add salt to this, just a little salt to it. So please, after subscribing, turn on the notification bell so that anytime we post a new video you will be notified. And also feel free to check out our channel for interesting content. Now I'm going to be using Milo for the strip. I'm going to use Milo. So you get your Milo, you can get 2 Milo, add Milo to a container, add a little bit of water, or better still, you just add your mixture, that's your pancake mixture. Use it to mix it together. So I added little water, and then I added my pancake mixture. Then you mix it together. After mixing this together, I'm using this as chocolate, but if you have cocoa powder or chocolate powder, you can use that. If you don't, you can just use Milo, the way I'm using Milo. So when you're done, you get a nylon, a clean nylon, and you turn this into a nylon, or you get a bottle, a clean bottle. You turn this into the bottle, you create a hole on the cover of the bottle, so you'll be able to spread or sprinkle this on top of your pancake. So now get your pan, put your pan on fire. Once the pan is hot, you can just grease oil on the surface of the pan, and then you add your pancake to the pan. So after adding your pancake mixture to the pan, you would go in with your chocolate, that's the Milo we mixed. You go in with it, and you can put any decoration you want to put on top of the pancake. You can put any decoration at all. So you can do the front and back, you can do just front, you can do just back, any of the above, but me, I'll just be using the front. So you wait for it to be ready. When it starts showing you bubbles, you just flip over. So once both sides are ready, you just take it off, and then you continue doing that. You continue that process, you continue for all of the pancakes. So you can also make just the chocolate part. We added the mixture to the Milo, so yeah, we can make that as pancake too. So you can decide to make that too. I made that myself. I made that on my own this thing for myself. So yeah, you can decide to make that too. So let us know what you think about our pancake stripped. Though it didn't come out perfect. It's been long I made pancake this flat. My pancake are always thick, so I didn't really get that flat hand, but I'm going to be making this again. I'm going to make sure it's perfect. But what do you think about this one? Let me know in the comment section. Please also don't forget to let us know your name and the country or state you're watching from, so that we can make a shout out to you. And please don't forget to like, don't forget to comment. Also don't forget to recommend a video, to suggest a video, or to make requests of a video you would want to see on our channel. Please feel free to do that. If it is something we can do, we would make sure to do it. So please feel free to drop your video requests in the comment section. So this one got burnt a bit, but it was still manageable. Just make sure your fire is not too high. Make sure your fire is low, not too high. It has to be low. So after that, I'm going to make the chocolate, because the white part wasn't remaining again, so just the chocolate, so I made it like that. So now you can decide to style it anyhow you want to style it. So for now, it's just one style that is in my head, and it's that style I'll be doing. Sorry, my phone went off at this stage. That was why you didn't see the complete process. I didn't know the phone was off actually. So this is the result. What do you think? Thanks for staying with us on today's video. Have a nice day. Bye.